Okay, we got a couple of projects we're going to tackle tonight.
What?
Short videos here. First one is going to be for the light for the ice and water dispenser on the refrigerator. I have chosen to use a 4-watt bulb to see how it does, because I don't like too much heat around this. So what we'll do is open slightly the package, get one bulb out. Now I've already removed the bulb that was in it, but I don't know if you can see this or not. I hope you can. But it goes right there. It simply screws in, and voila, we have a small amount of light. Okay, that's project number one. I'll be back with another one in a little bit. Okay, project number two is going to be safety locks because of her. Right now we've got this style. Just push down and open. Well, she has learned how to open them. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to this style. Magnetic. We'll use this door. There and right here. Magnet unlocks it. But when you hook the magnet to it, it opens it. Pretty neat, huh? I like them. But that's the style we're going to be putting on. Okay. Come in a pack of 4. First step is going to be to get these things out of these lovely type of packs that they put them in. Not only are they child proof, but they're me proof. Just the little clips that go, or the latches that go inside on the shelf. And then you got yeah, boy. Well, they tape them in there where they're a little difficult to get out. But there are 4 packs of screws, 1 pack for each lock. And then you have another magnet and the safety lock. And boy, magnets are strong. Okay, we've got the lock, a drywall screw, the pack of screws, and the latch. And also a cordless drill. And we're going to get started on installing. Okay, project number 2 is going to be installing a magnetic child safety latch on a kitchen cabinet. We'll start out by using a standard drywall screw to start one pilot hole. Okay, that starts the one pilot hole. And then we will take and put one of the screws in so that we can get it lined up. Okay. And we'll start our other pilot hole. screw in. There, nice and secure. Okay, now I'm going to be resetting my camera so I can show you process number 2. Okay, what we're going to try to do now is get this lined up, pilot hole started in it to where we can mount it. And that'll be one pilot hole. And then we'll go ahead and mount it. I'll be with you in a minute, Rachel. Yep. Papa will be with you in a minute. Okay. That's that one. Then we could do our other pilot hole. Run our other little screw in. Please, Rachel, don't knock the camera this time. And there we've got it mounted. Okay, and there it is. It's installed and works. The magnetic key, and it opens. The only thing is you got to make sure you keep the key out of the child's reach, because she will learn how to use that. Alright, remember what I always like to say. Hey, let's get up off the couch. Let's do something. Let's get some grime under our fingernails. See y'all in the next video.